Hello everyone, dear parents and children. As you all know, CBSE declared a special scheme of assessment for 10th and 12th class board examinations for the year 2021-22. So today let us discuss regarding this. So you all will get informed about this special scheme released by CBSE. In this scheme, the entire year, the session, it is divided into two terms. 50% of syllabus will come in each term. The board will conduct the examinations at the end of each term on the basis of the bifurcated syllabus. Okay, so 50% will come in one term and next 50% will come in other term. So how the bifurcated syllabus, it will be given by the board soon. So by the end of July month. So here the schools, they have to follow the syllabus released by CBSE. It is released in the month of March. It is being followed by all the schools, and the alternative academic calendar issued by NCERT also to be followed. So here whatever internal assessment tests, practical projects, whatever given by the school, it has to be done by the students. So everything will be evaluated according to the guidelines and moderation policy given by the board. So every test, maybe it is in Google form or in written form, whatever given by the teachers, you have to do that, complete the work. It may be practical work or project work or whatever assessment work given by the teachers, all students, they have to complete and keep it ready. Schools will continue in teaching online mode of education, so till the authorities permit to go for offline mode. So in-person mode of teaching will continue during that time, so then the students can come to school when the authorities permit. So in internal assessment, so will be continued for both the terms, term 1, term 2. So both the term, the internal assessment activities will be there. So it is 3 periodic tests, student enrichment activities, portfolio, practical work, speaking, listening skills, activities and project. So whatever given by the teacher, it has to be done, whether it is online mode or offline mode. So all the work, it has to be done throughout the term 1 and term 2. The same thing in 11th and 12th also. The online teaching will continue till the offline mode is permitted by the authorities. The internal assessment also, here also it will go throughout the term 1 and term 2, and it will include end of the topic or unit tests, exploratory activities, practicals, projects. So here also whatever work given by the teacher, you have to done, whether it is online or offline. So everything will be evaluated according to the guidelines given by CBSE. The term 1, term 2, so both of them, they are having 50% of the syllabus approximately, and the exams will be held most probably in the month of November to December. Maybe it's November or December, whatever month. The term 1 examinations will be conducted and the term 2 examinations will be conducted by March or April 2022. When you see the duration of exam for term 1, it will be about 90 minutes, and for term 2, it will be 2 hours when it is offline mode or 90 minutes when it is online mode. So the question type, so it is multiple choice questions. So it will include case-based MCQs or MCQs on assertion reason type in term 1. In term 2, so when it is offline mode, case-based questions, situation-based questions, short answer questions, long answer type, all will be there if it is offline mode. When it is online mode, once again MCQ based questions will be there like term 1. So here the CBSE will prepare question paper, maybe it's term 1 or term 2 question paper. It will be prepared by CBSE. So here the answers will be captured through OMR sheets, and here according to the condition, whether it is online or offline. The exams will be conducted under external center superintendents and observers appointed by CBSE. Maybe it's term 1 or term 2, both will be conducted in the same way. The contribution in overall score, let us see that. So when the pandemic condition, it improves, both exams will be held offline. then equal weightage will be given for both the terms 1 and 2. If term 1 exam is held online and term 2 exam is offline, term 1 will be given less weightage comparing to term 2 exam. When term 1 exam is offline and term 2 is online, term 1 will be given more weightage than term 2 exam. If there is complete closure of schools, both the exams, if it is held online, so results will be computed on the basis of internal assessment, practical, project, theory marks of term 1, term 2 exams taken by the candidate from home in 10th class and 12th class subject, and the moderation and other measures will be followed by CBSE, so for the reliability of the assessment. When you see the internal assessment, so throughout the year, so irrespective of term 1 and term 2, whatever it is, so that is now common for 9th and 10th, and these all are common for 11th and 12th. That is periodic tests, 3 periodic tests will be conducted, and student enrichment activities, portfolio, practical work, speaking, listening activities, projects. It will be for 10th and 9th, and for 11th and 12th, so end of topic unit tests, exploratory activities, practicals, projects, so all will be there. It may be term 1 or term 2, so whatever work given by the teacher, it has to be followed by the students. In all above cases, data analysis of marks of students will be undertaken by CBSE to ensure the integrity of internal assessment and home-based exams. Okay, children, so all of you must have understood the special scheme of assessment of board examinations for classes 10th and 12th for the session 2021-22. So you prepare well for the board exams. You prepare, maybe it's term 1 or term 2, whatever it is there. So whatever assessment were given by the teacher, you follow, and at the end of the year, so it will be evaluated by CBSE guidelines according to the order issued by CBSE. Okay, thank you for all.